Hi.
It's the perfect summer day in Kansas City.
It's gorgeous. This is the perfect summer day.
We're sitting here at the installation for today's job, and we thought it'd be cool to give you guys a little tour of our installation truck. We do it a little differently.
If we are interrupted by little popping sounds, it's because there's acorns falling from the tree.
Okay,
So,
let's have a tour.
very good. Let's go.
All right.
Okay, well here we are in the back of our installation truck. This is about prototype number 3. We actually have 3 install trucks. There's that popping sound. What we had found in years past when we did a new installation, we would do a very detailed drawing of the existing furnace and air conditioner. And we'd do a detailed drawing and make our sheet metal fittings up back at our shop, and come out with all the fittings made, all the equipment and things like that. And 80% of the time that worked great. However, if you missed a detail in a drawing, or once you started taking something apart, you realize, oh gee, I wish I could do this differently. But now what we do is we do not make any drawings. We really don't pre-make fittings unless it's something very unusual. But what we do is we come out, we take things apart. We now can assess, is there any damage anywhere? Is there anything we'd want to redesign, make it so it'll work better? And we can custom fabricate it now right here on site. What we have here is a scaled down sheet metal shop. We have a stomp shear here where we can cut metal. We cut our raw metal down to smaller sizes that we can keep here easily on the truck. But we have a workstation, and we're typically dealing in smaller fittings, 2 feet in size, 2 foot in size, roughly.
We're all residential.
Yeah, more residential kinds of things. So plenty of room. We've got a break here where we can fabricate sheet metal. We've got a lock former here that we can actually fabricate just about anything that we need. Now, excuse a little bit of the mess. This is a working job here, so they're actually working on this thing today. But we have everything in stock, fitting wise, that this truck can go out, and we really don't know what we're installing necessarily. It's not hinged on that. The equipment can show up later, but right now we have everything that you need to certainly get started on an installation, but be able to take things out, get things fabricated for the new equipment. But here with the translucent roofs and things, it's always nice and light in here. Makes it really easy to work on.
How big is an installation crew?
Typically 3, to 4 sometimes, but depending on what the workload is that day.
Cool. Looks good, Dad.
Very good.
We just need a little mini fridge or something in here, and they can just never have to leave.
Actually, if a mini fridge and a microwave, you could pretty much go camping in this truck. Yes.
All right. Okay, thanks, Dad.
Very good.
All right, bye.